When the diaphragm contracts, its muscle fibers draw downward, flattening the dome. This sudden motion pulls air into the lungs. Ribbon streams show the oxygen-rich airflow racing up the trachea toward the...
A sudden hiccup often comes from simple things: eating too fast, a fizzy drink, a quick shift from warm to cold, or even a moment of stress. It's just the diaphragm contracting, a harmless reflex that almost always...
Here's how to stop hiccups fast. First, hold your breath for a few seconds. Next, sip some water slowly. You can also swallow a teaspoon of sugar or honey. Still hiccuping? Breathe gently into a paper bag and just